Monday, May 5. My trading plan for today, Monday, will be stick to my trading plan. This is my trading plan for today, Monday. Stick to my trading plan. Let me show you something in the bear market. The price right now, as I record the video, is in this level. Today in the bear market, the price will be open with gap down right here, over here. I'm gonna come back to my chart. Let me show you. Let me show you. Be patient with me. Okay, I got a resistance level right here in 567 and my support level right here in 556. If the price go down, hit the support, I will be very focused to enter in call only if I see a bullish engulfing. My stop loss will be right below the support. In case the price goes down against me, I'm going to take small losses. On the other hand, if the price goes up, hit the resistance, I will be very attentive to enter input. My stop loss will be above the resistance. And today, anything can happen at any time. The best way is to wait, wait for good patterns. And do not forget to put your stop loss very tight in case if the price goes against you. This way you're going to avoid big losses. And as you can see, my trading today, Monday, will be very simple. Support, resistance, price action, and that's it, my friend.